Hi guys, today I just went to Sephora. There was a massive line and we had to wait outside and it was raining and I was from Sephora. I was thinking about getting some drunk elephant products or some glow recipe, but I just realised I've already got them. So, I got some new stuff. There were loads of stuff. It only opened like a few days ago, yeah. And it was chocolate, yeah. And loads of stuff, but let's get into it. So in the first bag, we've got, you weren't supposed to see that, the back. You already had a little look. Got some Bioma. Take the Bioma off. So, got a nice little bar. So, thanks Bioma, I suppose. This is very good Bioma. It's super nice. So, I think it's on order. I think you put this on first, then this, then this. So we got this jelly cleanser. And we've got some hydrating serum. And we've got some moisturising gel cream, and that's Bioma. Okay, now that's out of the way. I'm going to do this, so I'm going to do this very quick. So I don't know if this is viral because I don't know, I just seen it and I picked it up and here it just all clicked. We got this Indo. So it is made for teens. I don't know if that means teenagers or tweens, but I'm technically a tween. So let's just say that says, yeah, so teens or tween, or you know what, it doesn't matter. But the inside, this should become viral if it's already not. Scan this in, if you want to screenshot this and then scan this, because this is just going to be beautiful. So you can get your own Indo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I know. It's beautiful. Right? It's like rainbow. It's super nice. So they're all different stuff. Again, just scan it. I know you want it. I know you want it. So yeah, that's all today, guys. If you want to see me put it on, like and